The 1987 Philippine Constitution. College and Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Article 3. Bill of Rights. General civil and political rights. Right to life, liberty, and property. Right against unreasonable search and seizure. Right to privacy of communication and correspondence, except upon lawful order of the court, or when prescribed by law for public safety or order. Freedom of speech, of expression, and of the press. Right to peaceful assembly and to petition the government for redress of grievances. Right to information on matters of public concern. Right to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law. Free exercise of religion. Non-establishment of religion. Freedom of political belief and aspirations. Freedom of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by the law, except upon lawful order of the court. Right to travel, except as provided by law in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health. Right to just compensation when private property is taken for public use. Right against involuntary servitude, unless as punishment for a crime that the party has been duly convicted. General legal rights. Right to due process of law. Right to equal protection of the law. Freedom of contract. Free access to courts and quasi-judicial bodies. Right to adequate legal assistance. Right to a speedy disposition of cases. Freedom from imprisonment for non-payment of debt or poll tax. Right against imposition of excessive fines. Right against double jeopardy. Rights against ex post facto law or bill of attainder. Rights of persons arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation. Right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. Right to be provided with counsel if he cannot afford the services of one. Right against torture, force, violence, intimidation, or other means which vitiate free consent. Right against secret detention places, solitary, incommunicado, or other forms of detention. Rights of accused persons prior to conviction. Right to bail or recognizance, except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong. Right against excessive bail. Rights of the accused in criminal cases. Right to due process of law. Right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. right to be heard by himself and counsel, right to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, right to a speedy, impartial, and public trial, right to meet the witnesses against him face to face, except in valid cases of trial in absentia, right to have compulsory process to secure the attendance of witnesses and the production of evidence in his behalf, right against self-incrimination, right not to have the privilege of habeas corpus suspended except in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it, right against cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment, right not to be imposed with death penalty unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crimes as provided for by Congress. Rights of detainees and prisoners, right against physical, psychological, or degrading punishment, right against substandard or inadequate penal facilities under subhuman conditions. Please like and subscribe for more videos.